In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of AOL Mail. Whether you're wrapping up your day or using a shared computer, signing out keeps your email and personal information secure. I'll walk you through the process from the moment you open your browser, and I'll share a few quick tips so you can spot the right buttons, even if the page layout looks a little different on your device. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for AOL Mail. You can type AOL Mail into your search engine, then look for the official result that leads to the AOL Mail homepage. Click that first, trusted link. Depending on your current status, you may land directly in your inbox if you were already signed in, or you might see a sign-in screen. Either way, we're going to use the menu in the upper right corner to find the sign-out option. If you're on the homepage and not yet signed in, click the Login or Join button in the upper right corner. This takes you to the sign-in area so you can access your account controls. If you were already signed in, you'll still see your account controls in that same upper corner. The goal is to get to the top right account area, because that's where the profile menu lives and where you'll find the option to log out. Once you're in your mailbox or on the account page, look to the upper right and click your profile icon or your username. It might show your initials, a small photo, or a generic avatar. On some screens, it may appear inside a small menu or under a user drop-down. Clicking it opens a small panel with account options. This is the control center for quick actions tied to your profile, including the option to leave your session safely. In that panel, select Sign Out or Log Out. The wording can vary slightly, but both do the same thing. After you click, the site will end your session and usually return you to the sign-in page or the AOL homepage. That's it. You're logged out. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider closing the browser window afterward and avoiding the option to stay signed in next time. On mobile, the process is the same. Tap your profile icon, then choose Sign Out. If the menu looks different due to a smaller screen, try expanding the account menu first, but the Sign Out option will still be in that profile area. And that's the complete process for logging out of AOL Mail quickly and safely.